Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to another edition of the Farmer's Farm. This is a continuation of the series from kitchen to garden. Today we'll be discussing 5 important benefits that vinegar adds to your garden. Without no further ado, let's get right into it. However, before we get into the meat of the matter, let me just give you a little background information. So some of the ingredients that are in the vinegar is basically acetic acid and water. Of course there are other ingredients, and this is based off what the vinegar is made from. So 2 of the more common vinegars that householders use would be the apple cider vinegar and yours truly, the distilled white vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is made from fermented apple juice, and the one that I'm showing you now, the distilled white vinegar, is made from fermentation of distilled alcohol. So let us dive into the 5 benefits. So number 1, it actually suppresses fungal spores. So if you have a lot of fungal spores growing in your garden or growing on your plants, you can actually use vinegar to suppress the growth of those fungal spores. And basically the dose rate for doing that is, and what I mean by dose rate is how much vinegar, or how you'd make the solution, basically how much vinegar you'd use in the solution. So what you can do is use 2 teaspoons of vinegar per gallon of water, and in that solution you want to add 2 teaspoons of liquid soap as well, right? You agitate that, use your spray bottle, add the solution to your spray bottle and spray it on to the affected areas, right? And the reason why we use that dose rate is because we do not want to make it too concentrated where it burns the plant, right? So that is number 1. Number 2 is, of course, we use tools in our garden, right? All of us use tools in our garden. So, at the end of the day, we want to clean our tools. So this vinegar is a good cleaning agent because of the presence of acetic acid, or the presence of the acid within the vinegar. It actually is a good cleaning agent, right? So what you want to do is, at full strength, you want to add some vinegar to whatever bucket or what you have, a container, and you want to use that to, you can use it to wash your tools or soak your tools, and after which you can actually wash the tools with water, right? And that will actually clean your tools. The third benefit is it kills weed. So it is a herbicide, can you believe? And this herbicide, it is not like one of those synthetic herbicides, or one that has a lot of chemicals that is harmful to the environment. The vinegar is an environmentally friendly product that you can use to make an herbicide. Basically, purchasing a gallon of vinegar, or 1 gallon of vinegar, you would then add 2 teaspoons of liquid soap and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to that bottle of vinegar, or to that 1 gallon of vinegar that you bought. And why you add lemon juice to the vinegar is basically to increase the solution's efficacy. So, but of course, vinegar already contains acetic acid, but adding lemon juice to the vinegar actually increases the amount of acid, or it increases the acid level, hence increasing the efficacy of the solution. But what do I mean by efficacy? Efficacy is just basically the effect, or the effectiveness of the solution. So when you add this, the solution that you make in your spray bottle or your spray can or your knapsack sprayer, and when you go out there and spray your weeds, it's basically how well or how effective does the solution kill those weeds. The 4th benefit is on the matter of pH. So for example, if you have a soil that has a pH of 8 and you want to bring it down to a pH between 5.5 to 6.5, which is more better for plant growth and development, adding vinegar to the soil will actually gradually bring down that pH over time to that desired range. The fifth benefit is it is a good insect repellent. For example, if you are having issues with ants within your garden, all you have to do is make a 1-to-1 ratio of vinegar and water. Therefore, combine 1 cup of vinegar to 1 cup of water. Put this solution in a bottle and spray on the areas where the ants are, and this will actually repel the ants and keep them away from your garden. This will actually repel other insects as well. As you can see, vinegar is a power product. It adds tremendous benefits to your garden. Please share the knowledge, and as I always say, knowledge is power. And remember, please subscribe to the channel and join me again in another series of From Kitchen to Garden, where I'll be exploring another important product. Thank you.